everyone. So we're trying to do some homework right now. It's calculus homework. Many of y'all are not in calculus, but I guess this is informational, I guess. So this is a time. I know it's kind of late, but we like to do homework late. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That's her name, I guess. This is what it looks like. Yes, we missed this this is a test, by the way. See, AB calculus means it's like only the half a semester of calculus of college, but it's 1 full year in high school. So that's that information. So here we go. That's what it looks like. We're doing this. If you want to read it, that's fine. See? It's pretty nice. We drew a graph and x equals 1 and yada yada. Okay, so this problem is asking for this solid, each cross-section perpendicular to the x-axis is a semicircle. Find the volume of the solid. And it was 10 points on the test. So this is how you do it. First, okay, you write the equation right here. V equals, okay, for semicircles, it's going to be pi over 8. So I think, so let's write that right here. And then this is the integral of 0 to 1, since it's only in the first quadrant. And this is where we get stuck. So let's figure it out. Okay, these are the what am I talking about? Are the formulas we're supposed to use on this particular test. By the way, we took this test home so we can do test corrections, so we can learn. So these are the equations. Okay, so now we're on part, okay, let me explain. We found, the formula is on part A and part B that we're supposed to use is V equals A, integral A to B, L squared dx or dy. Okay, so that's the formula. So for A, we got this. All we need to do is put that in the calculator and get the answer. Now, this one is the same thing, but it says for an equilateral triangle. So that's the difference. So let's write it. It's going to be, so it's going to equal square root of 3 over 4 because it's an equilateral triangle. So it's a different shape. So you have to use a different thingy. Area. Okay. And then 3 minus 3x squared dx. Then you put that in the calculator again. Now we're on number 8. This says, find the area enclosed by the equations below. Those are the equations. Okay, hint. Sketch the 2 functions and 2 vertical lines. Look for the region between the curves and lines. So that's the hint. Okay, so first, you see 2 equations here that says y equals x squared minus 4 and y equals x minus 2. So we set them equal to each other to find the critical numbers. Okay, so we factored it out and got x equals 1 and x equals negative 1 and x equals 2. See, you get this polynomial, then you get that. So we're gonna put it in the graph. Okay, so I forgot to record some more math. So I'm back. So we're on number 3. We went back, so we got -5. We missed all the points. Yes, the whole problem is worth 5 points. So we have to go back. Okay, so let's just continue. So we're just doing a little algebra here. We're minusing, oops, like this, squared. And that will equal y squared minus 1 equals 0. So we can square root everything. We get the same thing, y minus 1 equals, is that right? Yeah, I guess. 0. No, not. So that concludes our homework session of our calculus test with its area and volume with integration. So have a great day and do homework and stay in school, kids. Bye.